Question 27, Part B. David is paid at these rates. Weekday rate, $18 per hour. Saturday rate, time and a half. Sunday rate, double time. His timesheet for last week is Friday, 9 a.m. start, 1:30 p.m. finish, and 30 minutes unpaid break. Saturday, 9 a.m. start, 4 p.m. finish, 1 hour unpaid break. Sunday, 8 a.m. start, 2 p.m. finish, 1 hour unpaid break. Part 1. Calculate David's gross pay for last week. The first thing to do is to determine the paid hours that David worked each day. Now on Friday, David worked from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and took a 30-minute unpaid break. So from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. is 4 hours and 30 minutes. Take away 30 minutes and that equals 4 hours of paid work. Now on Saturday, David worked from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. less 1 hour unpaid break. So 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. is 7 hours. Take away the 1 hour for the unpaid break and that equals 6 hours of paid work on Saturday. On Sunday, David worked from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. less 1 hour unpaid break. So 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. is 6 hours. Take away 1 hour for the unpaid break and that's 5 hours of paid work on Sunday. Now to work out the gross pay, we'll start with Friday. David worked 4 hours at $18 per hour, that's the weekday rate, plus 6 hours on the Saturday at time and a half, which is why we multiply the 6 by 1.5, multiplied by the standard weekday rate of $18 per hour, plus 5 hours on Sunday at double time, which is why we multiply the 5 by 2, times $18 per hour, which is the standard weekday rate. And that equals $414. Therefore, David's gross pay for last week is $414. Part 2. David decides not to work on Saturdays. He wants to keep his weekly gross pay the same. How many extra hours at the weekday rate must he work? On Saturday, David works 6 hours at time and a half. So David would earn 6 times 1.5 times 18, which equals $162 on that day. Now the number of weekday hours needed to earn $162 is given by 162 divided by the weekday hourly rate of $18 per hour, and that equals 9. Therefore, David will need to work an extra 9 hours at the weekday rate.